Hello again, traders. The video today is another cTrader tutorial. In it today, I'm going to cover Trading Central's targets or price targets. Now, a lot of you might not be aware of this, and you're probably fully unaware because it's not supported by all brokers, only certain brokers. So what I'm going to do straight away is just go in and explain it to you, then I'll give you a hands-on demo using the cTrader trading platform. So if you come to our website, clickalgo.com, if you just go under Tools, Trading Central Targets. Now this page gives you an explanation all about Trading Central and how the targets are used in the cTrader trading platform. You can scroll down, it'll give you all the information you need. But if you're not familiar with Trading Central, they're a research company. They're very popular and they're integrated into the cTrader platform for certain brokers. You can come here and you can actually click on the link, Who is Trading Central? And it will go to the website and it'll give you more information about them. So again, they're a analysis company that provide data for the cTrader platform to allow traders to see potential price targets, so price reversals, or where to set up your take profits and stop losses. So if your English isn't so good and you're having problems listening to this video, just come to this webpage. You can then translate it into your own language and you can actually find out how to use it, okay? So what I'm going to do now is go to cTrader, and I'm going to show you it in action. So this is cTrader. Now this is using FX Pro. Now FX Pro do actually support Trading Central's targets, and to access them you just right click on the chart and you'll have viewing options, and under viewing options you'll have an option called targets. Now if I click on it, you'll see on the chart there it came up with a target. Now according to their analysis, this is where you want to potentially the price will reverse. But I'll quickly explain it. It'd be easier if I explain it if I just hover the mouse over the target and it comes up with a pop-up window. Now again at the bottom you can say source Trading Central. Now this is saying this is a target for a buy position, sorry. So what you can do, you can just go down to the little settings icon. You can click on there and you can put display all support and resistance levels. If you click on there, it'll actually show you all the major support and resistance levels for this time frame, which is 1 hour. I'm going to take them off. So according to this, it says your target is 99 or 100 pips away. Your profit would be $10. And if you open a position now with buy, it will set your take profit target to 1.235, which is where their target is. Okay. So according to this, they're predicting that the price will reach that value, and that's where you should put your take profit. So if you to open up a buy position, that's where you would place it. So I'm going to hover over it again. Now you can adjust the lots of what you want to trade at, and you can also set your stop loss. So this is their predicted stop loss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a buy position, and it's opened up a buy position now. It's automatically set the take profit for their take profit target, which is 102 pips away, which is quite far actually. And then your stop loss, you can adjust that manually, and you can also adjust the take profit manually afterwards. I'm going to close this position. I'm going to go back here. Again, it's not showing me my stop loss. So what I'm going to do, just quickly, is just change the time frame. I'm actually going to change the symbol. Euro GBP's had a bit of a crazy time. I'm not going to choose that one. I'll choose a different symbol, just give you a rough idea. So this is the target for USD JPY. Now what I'm going to do is hover the mouse, and it's also with this one, it's actually got stop loss to be set as well. Okay, I'm not sure why it didn't do the stop loss previously. So now what this would do, this will allow you, this is a trade setup. So it will allow you to automatically enter a trade with the trade setup of the stop loss and take profit as recommended by TradingView's market analysis. Okay, so if I was to actually open up a buy now, you can see it's actually automatically put in the stop loss where they feel you should put the stop loss and where they feel you should put your take profit for the target. Now these are just recommendations, so I wouldn't put them as a 100% rule of thumb. Sorry, I would put it as a rule of thumb, but I wouldn't do it as a 100% certainty that that's where it will go. I would just use these like you were using an indicator as an indication where it might go. So again, if I hover the mouse, the little blue label at the bottom there shows your stop loss. Your target is the green at the top. Again, you can go to the settings window and you can display all support and resistance levels. And once you've entered your trade like you've got there, you can see where all the support and resistance levels is, and you can even move your take profit to the higher support level, and you can adjust your stake profit down to the resistance levels. So, sorry, so the support levels. So that's a rough idea how to use it. I'm just going to quickly now go back to the tool and just give you one last bit of information of the actual tool itself. So I'm going to close the position to make it easier to see. I'm also going to get rid of the support and resistance levels to make it easy for you to see the chart. Okay, so straight away on the chart here, it's giving you the target, gives you the pips and the potential take profit. If you hover your mouse over the eye, it will give you more information about this currency symbol or the symbol in general. And if you read down the list there, it tells you all the support and resistance levels for that time frame. It also tells you the pivot and what their recommendation is. And if I go down to here, lots, you can just specify the lots, the trading volume you want to use. Pretty straightforward, that one. And if you go down to take profit or stop loss, you can just take these off or on here. And if you hover over the eye there, it just gives you the copyright information. And this tells you the source is just from Trading Central. So it's a nice little widget to use. It's pretty straightforward. You can disable visualization. So if you don't want it on the chart, you can disable it. Okay, that's it. I'll go back to the actual page now. So we're going to put the video at the bottom of this page. This just gives you a rough idea of Trading Central integration into the cTrader trading platform, what it's used for, how to use it, and there you go, that's it. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up at the bottom. It really helps our rankings, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed when we release new videos. Thank you, bye.